Hello student, today again I am here in front of you with another experiment of class 11. So this is the first experiment of class 11 is experiment number 1. So now the aim of this experiment is to prepare crystals of cupric sulfate. Now the chemical formula of cupric sulfate is CuSO4 0.5H2O from impure samples. Means we have to prepare crystals of cupric sulfate from impure sample. Now the materials are required for this experiment is impure sample of cupric sulfate, beaker, funnel, filter paper, china dish, glass rod, tripod stand, spirit lamp, dilute H2SO4 and wire watch. So these are the materials required for this experiment. So now shortly I am going to show you these experiment which you can better understand. We are going to start the practical. I am going to show you all the materials required for this experiment. One by one I am going to show you. See, this is wire gauge. This is tripod stand. This is a spirit lamp. This is beaker. This is glass rod. This is funnel. This is neat and clean china dish. This is filter paper. And now this is dilute H2SO4. And at last, this is impure sample of cupric sulfate. Now, firstly ground the impure sample of cupric sulfate in the beaker. Now, already we taken impure sample of cupric sulfate in the beaker and dissolve the impure sample in a small amount of water in the beaker with the help of glass rod. Now I am going to add water in the beaker and with the help of glass rod, see this is glass rod, we are dissolving this sample. Now see, it has been fully dissolved in the beaker. Now after that, we have to filtrate the solution by using a filter paper with the help of funnel. See, this is a funnel. Now filtrate the solution using a filter paper. See, this is a filter paper. Filtrate the solutions using a filter paper in a clean china dish. See, this is a neat and clean china dish. Now you can see, now you can clearly see the impurities are left as residues on the filter paper. See the residues of impurities. And the clean solution is obtaining as filtrate. See, clearly you can see clean solution of now the solution is heated till crystals start to appear in slide of china dish. Now then the solution was tested for crystallizations point, which can be determined by dipping the glass rod in the solutions and allow the liquid to evaporate, leaving a crystal of crystals on the glass rod. Now 10 minutes over. If crystallization point is not reached at the solutions become tribute, means not clear, then what we have to do, we have to add now few amount of dilute H2SO4. Now I am going to add few amount of dilute H2SO4 in the solution. We have added. Now the heating of solutions, we have to stop it and it allowed to cool slowly. Now it allowed to cool it slowly. After 30 minutes, the crystals get separated from the liquor and is further separated for. See, now clearly you can observe the crystals of cupric sulfate. So finally we get the result. We obtain crystals of cupric sulfate from impure sample. I hope you all are getting this process by how we can prepare crystal from impure samples. Thank you so much.